Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Okay.
You gotta show yourself, co-pilot. Co-pilot. Hey.
So anyways,
So...
is this the bridge though?
Not yet.
Oh.
But we're gonna record this epic moment in the road trip.
Why is it so epic?
Liz.
Yes.
Oh, I think this is it.
Oh.
Hold on.
Wait.
Like we don't even know where it's so epic. Why is it?
Close out? That was like further down. When we came last time, was it?
Oh, I think we're a little ahead of the game. Wait, hold on. Wait.
What's so special about this bridge anyways, Maritza?
It took about 30 million years to build.
That's a long time.
Oh, let's see what the sign says. Strong
Crosswinds.
Oh, okay.
High profile vehicles
left lane.
Left lane. Are you a high profile vehicle?
I'm a little car.
Okay. Well
Tiny.
Proceed on the current road.
I will.
That's what she says.
Doesn't she sound so like unlike the one
robotic?
On our phone? Yeah. Well, the one on our phones like.
Oh,
She
yeah.
sounds so friendly.
She sounds nice. Oh, is this it?
Oh, is this it? We can't even see anything. Like I see concrete.
This is dumb.
Well, that was a.
Oh yeah, this is it. We're on it.
Yay.
Yeah.
What's so special about it? We're just.
Oh, we're gonna enter Arizona.
Oh. Well.
Check it out. That was it. That little bridge took that long to build.
Yay! I'm very excited.